Hey guys, it's me again after 3 weeks of not posting a video, but that's because my content device wasn't working and I couldn't make a video for at least 3 weeks and I was so mad. So please let the video get lots of views. And also over all that long time, I've also thought of something. Oh yeah, and when my content device broke, my Build the Earth world deleted. Yes, my 0.5 miles equals 1 block world deleted. Yes. So I thought of a new goal. How about 1 block equals 100 meters? It'll be much better, but much harder too. And first we're gonna start with Canada instead of starting with the USA first. We're gonna start with the biggest one in every continent first, and then all the countries that border it. And I've been practicing my geography skills. So now hit the outro.